the protective screen guard which I put on got a crack here on the side. I don't think the glass of the phone itself was affected, but the protective tempered glass of the screen guard got cracked on the side as well as scratched over here. I was actually very satisfied with the screen guard because it almost has no scratches at all, even though I've been using it for over a month and it protected the actual glass of the phone very well, but unfortunately I have to change it because the corner got cracked already. So that's why I ordered the Spigen GLAS.t, which is a tempered glass protective screen guard, and now I'll unbox it. So this is how it looks like. It's called Spigen GLAS.t Slim Premium Tempered Glass Screen Protector with 9H strong surface rounded edges, extreme durability, perfect grip, and rounded borders with anti-chip. I think this cost around $8. You can order it on Amazon. It's transparent, it has an oleophobic coating, it's real glass, and it sticks well, has a surface hardness of 9H and is delicate to the touch. They recommend to use a case with the screen protector as to protect the screen protector also to prevent cracks. I use a Pitaka aramid case. You can watch a review of it in the description below. So let's apply this new screen protector on the phone. And I really recommend to use a high quality screen protector instead of a cheap film, because you will be using it all the time and you want to have a nice touch feeling with your fingers when you use it. So I think it's worth it to get a high quality screen protector, because you will need it anyway, because if you don't use a screen protector, your display will get scratches, never matter how strong the glass of the iPhone is, it will always get scratches. So to prevent scratches on your phone itself, just get a high quality screen protector. So to exchange that is still much easier than replacing the display of your phone. To apply the screen protector, is best to do it in a humid room as to prevent dust falling on the screen while you apply the screen protector. So why in a humid room is because when the humidity will prevent dust particles to be floating in the air. So a good place for that is such as in a bathroom. For example, after you taken a hot shower, the air in the bathroom will be humid, and so like that the dust particles won't be floating in the air. So let's do that. Okay, so let's open it. So here's a dust remover sticker, tissue to clean the display, and I think this is a alcoholic wipe to clean the display, single use only. And here it says that the screen protector is slightly smaller than this display because the screen of the phone is slightly curved, so something you need to consider. This is a user manual guide how to install. First you need to wash your hands clean and then clean the display with the included wet cleaner, which is this one I think, and then peel off the protective film of the back of the glass, which is here I guess. And then align the glass with the device by holding the edges of each end and gently place the glass in front of your device. And then simply press the center of the glass and the adhesive will apply itself. Do not apply too much pressure during this process. And then remove the front protective film of the glass by using the clear tab. And then finally remove any bubbles by gently pushing outwards from the center. Alright, I'll wash my hands first. Okay, let's unpack the wet cleaner. Which is this. First I have to take off the old glass. So let's take the old glass out first. Okay, let's see, maybe from the corner here, which is already broken, or this corner. Okay, so the corner is still alright, so I don't have any broken glass. It was just the screen protector which got chipped away in the corner here. Alright, so let's use the lens cleaning wipe. Oh, this definitely has alcohol. I can smell it already. Oh yeah, it's quite strong. Either the previous screen protector left a mark, or I can see the outskirts of the OLED display. These wipes you actually also can buy in the pharmacy in case you need some more. I think it's clean enough. And then do I need to use this screen cleaner? Let's just try it a bit. Let's hope there's no dust particles on it. No, it's a good idea to turn on airplane mode and switch off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so that your phone won't vibrate when you apply the screen protector. Okay, and when you apply the screen protector, it's a good idea to go into the Notes app so that you have a bright background so that you see the contours of the display. It's easier to place the screen protector in that way, so you know exactly where you need to place the screen protector. Okay, let's switch it off just to make sure that there's no dust. Also can use the dust remover sticker. They are included, 4 pieces are included, so you need to do this after you clean the display, so let's hope no dust particles sets in before. They seem to be very light scratches. It's hard to tell. But if there are any scratches on there, they were there from the manufacturer, because I put the protective screen as soon as I unpacked the phone. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's unwrap the screen protector. So let's see where is front and back. Okay, so this is the adhesive side. So I need to switch it on first. Unlock it. This is a bit tricky. Okay, so alright, so I have to do it the other way. Okay, let's remove this film and place it straight on the display. So we have to spread it from the middle. So I guess I'll just use this screen cleaner from the middle, to simply press the center of the glass and the adhesive will apply itself. Okay. So I just press from the center of the glass and then remove the protective film from the glass by using the clear tab. Alright, let's remove the clear tab. It looks like the center has a huge bubble inside. See if we can slightly move that bubble to the outer side. Let's push it out here. Alright, I think we got the big bubble out. And so I think there's just a strange color on this. I don't know if that's because of the bubble. It's almost perfectly aligned. Could be slightly to the top, but I think it's good enough. And the glass feels quite smooth. I think it feels very, very similar to the original display of the phone itself. At least now I got a clean corner here, so it doesn't look like broken glass anymore. And the surface is smooth, and they say that the smaller bubbles will disappear in 1 or 2 days. So it seems that the glass should be about 0.5 millimeter slightly upwards, because on the bottom here it's not completely flush. Maybe I'll do it later. You always have to check from the full view of the phone to see if it's aligned, so don't just pay attention to one, to the top or to the bottom. You need to pay attention to the big picture so that you have the screen protector aligned correctly. Alright, that was it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and stay safe.